So here's some popular organizers that are actually worth it. First up, this is large storage box. It comes with a lid, and I like that it can hold a lot. It comes with this removable tray that has divided sections, plus a space underneath it to store a ton of things. You can use this for crafting supplies, sewing supplies, a ton of different things. I'm going to be using it for my kids' storage for a lot of their coloring and activity books. Love these twistable crayons. They don't easily break. They're non-toxic, washable, and easy to hold. Also have some 90-day dry out markers. Amazing for when your kids leave the lids off markers. Also, these click markers are great too for when kids lose caps. Fill in the rest of the sections with even more crafting supplies. This can hold quite a bit. I still have a lot of space left in this. Another really cool genius item is this snack tray with a cover on it. These can fit a lot of 40-ounce cups. I use a simple modern cup, but they can also fit the Stanley cups. It's a really cool accessory. It has 3 different sections so you can fill it with your favorite snacks. Eat this out on a deck, on a patio, take it to your kids' games, wherever you're gonna be, you have a cover for your snacks. And you can use this stainless steel canister for holding a lot of different food storages in your kitchen or your pantry. I love that it has a date tracker on the very top for both the month and the date. Also comes with a scoop and a scoop holder on the outside. It's airtight, and also the inside is stainless steel with measuring cups on the inside as well too, so you can see how much you have left. I love that it also has a window so you can see when you're running low. You can easily store coffee in here, tea, flour, cereal, sugar, and so much more. It's a very chic and well-designed organizer that is super functional. You can get this in not only different colors, but also different sizes. Now, this surge protector is an awesome way when you need more plugs. It has 5 3-prong plugs, 3 USB ports, and 1 USB-C plug-in, plus a nightlight on the bottom and a shelf on the top. The shelf is removable, so you can use it with or without, but it's great for when you need extra plugs and you need a shelf. You can easily put a smart home device on top, flossers, electric toothbrushes, any of that, plus plug in your watches, your curling irons, whatever else you may need around the home. And also the nightlight is a dusk to dawn nightlight too, so super genius, super helpful. Now, I've had this egg drawer organizer for a long time and I still absolutely love it. It stores 28 eggs, and it is an easy way to incorporate in your refrigerator and use under the shelf storage for holding lots of eggs. It not only helps you to maximize your space in your fridge, but it can make it really easy and convenient to grab an egg or two whenever you need them. And this bathroom storage cabinet is a great way to use your vertical space. If you don't have a lot of space, this is perfect for small spaces. It can store a roll of tissue. It can also hold extra tissue. It has a couple storage areas too. You can put extra items, cleaning items, tissue, things like that. It's really chic and modern and compact. It comes in a couple color options. Super great for small spaces. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a huge, small little favor, and that is 1, tap that thumbs up. It should light up like with fireworks, and also to make sure to subscribe if you have not, and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified next time I upload a video. Remember, I will leave everything linked below the video, so make sure to check that out. And these pop containers are amazing. I use these for some of everything around the home. Great for snacks, great for things that needs to be airtight. And one little hack I do is I write the expiration dates on the bottom of them with a dry erase marker, because you can easily erase it and put new dates on there. You can write on the bottom what it is, if it's pancake mix or anything like that too. They come in a ton of different shapes, different sizes. They can stack on top of each other, and they can go in the dishwasher, which I absolutely love about them too. So these are some of my favorites. I highly recommend those. And I love the fact that I can open these with one hand. Literally, it doesn't take the both of my hands, because with a baby, y'all, sometimes my hands are full, but one hand opens, make things so convenient. Another awesome find is this tissue holder. I really like it because the opening is on the bottom. It has this magnetic attachment that you can easily open from the bottom, so you don't have to worry about the top coming up when you pull the tissue out, like some of the ones that open from the top. Plus, you can easily put your tissues in here. It takes all of a second, and it looks so much better around your home. These glass salt and pepper shakers are also really nice. They have really large openings so you can easily fill them. There's 3 different adjustable pour settings for dispensing your salt and pepper. They're super easy to clean because of the wide opening. Plus, you can store a half a cup capacity of spices in these. They also come in different colors and shapes. These cloth storage bins are also really great to have for easy grabbing items out. They fold up really compact so you can always have them out the way, but then when you need them, you can open them right up. You can store toys in here, clothes in here, things around your home. And because it has a window in the front, it makes grabbing items so much easier than having to pull out the entire bin for it. And we've been obsessed with this automatic mouthwash dispenser. It's pretty cool. It comes with 2 cups that are magnetically attached to the top. I'm going to be filling it with one of my favorite mouthwashes, which is the Moon Charcoal Rinse. It can store this entire jar of mouthwash and in total hold over 19 ounces. It's rechargeable, and you can also set how much mouthwash you want released, from 10 to 20 to 30 milliliters. All you literally do is set the cup under there once you turn the power on, and it fills it up automatically. Super cool. It saves so much time. Now, these accessory pieces for your 40-ounce tumblers can also be super helpful for helping you keep your things organized. One, you can hold this all over the shoulder with the strap. And then 2, also has an attachment piece that you can use to store things in. Whether you want to put Kleenex in here, lip gloss, your car keys, money, things like that. You can always use that as an extra carrying bag if you just want to be able to store things with your tumbler. Great for going to the gym with, going to your kids' games with, going outside for a walk. You can have everything you need right with you. So I'm looking for a more convenient way to take my vitamins and supplements instead of having to pull out all of my big old bottles. I found this perfect medicine dispenser. It actually came with dividers, so you can divide your space up if you like into 2 or 4 spaces. It can hold quite a ton of pills and gummies. If you're like me, I am a gummy girl. The opening is large, so even the gummies can come out, or you can pull them out. And also it comes with this additional travel dispenser, so you can take them with you on the go as well, which is really cool. And so far I've been really loving it. My vitamins have stayed fresh. Metal organizers and laundry bins are just game changing because they are environment friendly, plus these are airtight as well and can store a ton of detergent. Because they have high durability, they last for a really long time. Also, I really like the lint bin that you magnetically attach to your dryer, and also this bin as well too that you can store dryer sheets in or dryer balls in. Having somewhere to put your lint is so helpful in the laundry room. Easy to attach because it's magnetically attached to your dryer. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this next video also. See you guys there.